Hello everyone! Are you curious about how often you should clean a hamster cage? Let's explore! Cleaning the hamster cage is an essential part of responsible hamster care and helps maintain a clean and healthy environment for your pet. In general, you should aim to clean your hamster's cage at least once a week. This includes removing and replacing bedding, cleaning the cage accessories such as toys, wheels, and hideouts, and wiping down the cage surfaces with a pet-safe cleaner. Additionally, spot cleaning should be done as needed to remove any soiled bedding or food debris from the cage. Pay particular attention to areas where the hamster tends to urinate or defecate, as these areas can become dirty quickly and may require more frequent cleaning. It's also essential to monitor the cage for signs of odor, mold, or bacterial growth between cleanings. If you notice any foul smells or visible signs of dirt or contamination, it may be necessary to clean the cage more frequently to maintain a hygienic environment for your hamster. Furthermore, providing a suitable substrate, such as paper-based bedding or aspen shavings, can help absorb moisture and control odor between cleanings. Avoid using cedar or pine bedding, as these materials can emit aromatic oils that may be harmful to hamsters. Regular cage maintenance, including cleaning, spot cleaning, and substrate replacement, is crucial for preventing the buildup of bacteria, ammonia, and other harmful substances that can affect your hamster's health and well-being. In summary, you should aim to clean your hamster's cage at least once a week, with spot cleaning as needed to maintain cleanliness between full cleanings. Monitoring the cage for signs of odor or contamination and providing a suitable substrate can help ensure a clean and healthy environment for your pet hamster. Please like the video and follow the channel for more related content. You can also support us on Patreon, so we can create more informational content like this. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.